Hey folks, got a little rainy in the lower valley for a time this afternoon, and then kind of in the middle part of the valley, some showers later on. All that's left now, though, is one little shower kind of northeast of Edinburgh, a little bit to the west of Delta Lake, and that's probably about it for this evening. I think this stuff fades away, and then poof, it's gone. And for the most part, it's a quiet weekend. But boy, it was a busy afternoon in Brownsville. Take a look. Radar kind of came to life, and the heaviest rain was down over the southmost area and down into Matamoros. Since then, things have gone away. You can watch that loop one more time, and you see they kind of hung out there for a couple of hours almost before disappearing. Now, the airport reported 3/4 of an inch of rain, but if you look at some of the other totals from around the area based on Doppler estimates, the heaviest stuff certainly across the river in Mexico. A couple of places showing 1.9 out to the east of Matamoros, about 1.4 on the north side, a little less than that, about a half an inch or so in many locations there. So this is up in the upper valley. Boy, that stuff that was there an hour ago, we were with you at Channel 5 News at 5, has since disappeared, kind of moved a little bit northward and went away. And Future Track says that's it for the night. Notice there's nothing else out there, just a few patchy clouds. And during the daytime tomorrow, it's a mostly sunny and very warm day with temperatures back up in the 90s again. Let's go forward another day into Sunday, and guess what? It's partly to mostly sunny again and downright hot with temperatures well up into the 90s again. But the changes will come on Monday, and we'll show you that in just a second. Your rain chances, I don't see much on Saturday, about a 10% probability. Sunday dry. Monday, then, it all depends on timing of the front, but at least a 30% probability of a shower or thunderstorm with a cool front on Monday. These are the current temperatures. We're all back in the 80s now, except Brownsville, where it's been in the 70s most of the day because of the rain. Overnight lows tonight should be in the mid-70s, and then tomorrow's highs in most areas back into the 90s. If you happen to get that isolated shower, you might be a couple degrees cooler, but not dramatically. So you still don't see the impact of the front on this 3-day forecast. At 93 on Monday could go either way. Depends on timing of the front. You know, weekend temperatures I think we're pretty good on. But Monday, if the front comes a little earlier, it may not get quite that warm. A little later, might be a little warmer. The front itself is way off to the north, not even on the map yet. There's one offshore in the Gulf. That's pulling away. But here comes the front Saturday, Sunday, and then all of a sudden it races southward on Monday. Look at all those lines. Those are lines of equal barometric pressure, isobars we call them. The more there are, the windier it is. So a pretty good front coming in on Monday, triggering showers, maybe a thunder shower, and then a turn towards some slightly cooler weather for most of next week. Sunday night, 74. A little patchy cloudiness out there. Tomorrow, we're back up to 94 with maybe an isolated shower. Your rain chance tomorrow at about 10%. Your first 1.5 accurate weather forecast for the next 7 days shows the changes come Tuesday, really. It's not just the daytime highs, which drop back down into the 80s, but the nighttime lows that cool into the 60s, even the 50s for the middle part of next week. So it looks like a pretty strong front, and the cool down begins right behind that front sometime during the second half of the day on Monday. That's your updated first 1.5 accurate weather forecast.